So I'm just showing you guys here, my friend has a sailboat and he wants me to take some area footage from the above. Yes, he was just out there, not even noticed that my drone went on top of his sailboat, and he's still waiting for me, and he thinks that I'm not even there. So yeah, you can see it's quiet, you know, especially on flying in this condition. Don't even notice it, and yeah, he doesn't even realize it that I actually flown it on his sailboat. So this is awesome, I guess. So in this condition, I decided to return back because of the weather, and I don't want to be stuck out there and not enough battery power to come back home. So it was the right decision for me to return back. Now you guys can see here, I stopped enough time for me to do active track, you know, 8 minutes and 56 seconds or something like that, and I have enough juice to play around for a little bit. And now you guys can see, so it's always safe if you know something that, you know, you already took your shots way out there, especially doing long range. You can always return back to home and put another extra battery just in case something happened. You know, you don't want to take that risk, and that's what I did. So look at me now. So I have enough juice to do what I need. Just play around with my paddleboard, and that's about it.